How to install Binance app on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can install the Binance application on your Android device, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to install Binance app on your Android, it's actually very simple to do so. Open up your Play Store or your App Store. Make sure that you're connected to the internet. In the search box, just go ahead and then type in Binance and then search for the Binance application here. Once you search for the Binance app, you'll be able to see the amount of sites, so make sure that you're connected to a proper internet connection in order to be able to download it, and then just tap the install button, which is the blue install button over here. After you've done that, it will get automatically downloaded and you don't have to do anything in this case. So as you can see, the Binance app will begin downloading depending upon the strength of your internet connection. This way you'll be able to download the Binance app. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.